push off on your back as a beginner. If you're a competitive swimmer, you want those toes up, knees up, and you want the toes as high to the surface as you can get them. You don't want them above the surface, but you want them high. But as a beginner, you want to put your knees right on the wall with your feet flat. So your toes are actually down towards the bottom, not up towards the sky. Your whole shin will be pretty much on the wall. This is so that you can't push off very hard, because the harder you push off, there's this wave, this suction that gets created between you and the wall, creates a wave that then follows you and goes over your face. Keep your knees on the wall, keep your feet flat, tops of the feet on the wall, and just release. Let go of the wall. You can keep your arms straight if that helps you for balance, but just let go of the wall and let your body drift away like this. If you need to push away just a little bit, that's okay, but just be careful that you don't create a water wall that comes over and splashes you in the face. I'll show you an example that would be done poorly for someone who got water up their nose. It would look something like this. Even with the right technique, if they're too aggressive, they'll get the same water wall. Watch. Watch, here comes. Too aggressive. Here comes the water wall. It's gonna drown me, or at least get water up my nose, which is uncomfortable. All right, so she's in her right spot. I think she's ready to go. Paddles and kicks as fast as you can. Stand tall, 3, 2, 1, go. Good. You did go a little bit high, so you might get water. Just cough it out. Yep, I gotcha. Here's a common mistake you might make when doing this on your own. She pushed up too high. So when I said 3, 2, 1, release, rather than releasing into the water, it was more up like this. And then you fell, and that'll cause the same thing to happen. All right, so let's go head back more. Yep, straight arms, and then let go of the arms. Start to drift away. 3, 2, 1. Arms let go, drift away. Now kicks, paddles and kicks, paddles and kicks. Here you go. Now you can go as fast as you want. Stretch out tall. Good. Good job. You're halfway through. Stretch out tall, keep breathing. Paddles and kicks. And the kicks on your back are half as big and twice as fast as they are when you're on your belly. I'm gonna steer you towards the middle again. You're just a yard or two away from being able to dismount. Nice, small, fast kicks. Use those hands to really push water. All right, dismount in 3, dismount in 2, dismount in 1. You did it, you did it. You got through it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you splash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel for free, become a member today. We're gonna be increasing the price of the membership soon. The people who are already members will be grandfathered in. And then also go ahead and follow us on the other social medias that are like Instagram and TikTok and all the other ones. Buy some merch. We are keeping one color each year. But every 4 years, as you just saw, we did our red color version. So if you missed that, sorry, you're gonna have to wait till the LA Olympics in 2028. With that said, thanks for watching. I'm Johnny Rocket, and let's get swimming.